So let's talk about gold and silver. We have already talked about it one more time previously. This is the second time I'm covering gold and silver. Let's see if we can continue it for how long, depending upon the interest. So last time when we talked about gold, I'll first cover gold and I'll talk about silver. It was 11th of May. Today is 19th. So 8 days have passed since then, almost a week, more than a week actually. At that time, gold was sitting at 3300, 3325. This is where gold was sitting, and we were talking about the making of the double top structure. We had one top, second top was in the making, the neckline was at 3200, and then we were talking about the journey towards 2950. This was the overall stuff that we were talking about. Then we talked about how this thing has a trend line. It can go and break that one as well. Well, today, coming back to today's case scenario, it did complete the bloody double top. The neckline is at 3200, and then it did drop all the way down towards this area, which is 3122, but our target is 2950. So it has not fully delivered on it and it missed out. Now, as long as gold doesn't go below the area of 3200, and when I say 3200, I mean it has gone below it, but I mean staying there and it doesn't go back and conquer the area of 3200, we can expect gold to be on a downward journey. Because right now, if you look at gold, gold is giving a lot of mixed signals. At 3200, we need two daily closings below it, right? We have one closing below it, then the other one is above it. Then we have one below it, then other one is above it. We need two daily closings below the area of 3200. Once we see that, we would assume neckline is broken of this double top, which is a bearish structure, and now it is on a downward journey towards 2950. But if somehow it closes two candles above 3200, because it hasn't broken below it anyway, then we would assume, okay, gold is going to bounce back from here. It is going to go towards 3400, and it is not going to deliver on this double top structure, even though it is a bearish structure. But everything depends on the neckline, and the neckline being 3200, and we need to lose it for 2 days, which is not happening at the moment. And that's pretty much it with gold. Now let's go and check silver, as what the hell do we expect from silver. And I'll go and check what did we talk about silver last time, and then we do a bit of catch up from there. Just a second. So let me search for silver. So 11th of May, same timeline, same old stuff. And what did we do? Well, we talked about, just a second. We talked about silver, and we talked about how silver is also in the making of a double top structure. It has one top, second top. Over here it can go and create the third top. And we talked about the neckline at 28.9, which is $29. This is what we discussed. Now let's see what the hell has happened in the overall 8 days since then. Well, nothing has happened. This structure is still in the making. The $29 is still intact. It's pretty much where it was previously. So, which leaves us with the same conclusion, that as long as $29 is intact, silver can continue to go up towards $34. But it can always come down towards the support area of 29, and it tests it. Only after breaking below $29 for more than 2 days, we can say that, okay, now silver has started turning bearish. If that is not happening, just like gold, it can come to the neckline and then bounce from it. And that's silver and gold. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment. And I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video, or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.